Okay, so in this one, because the rate of change is equal to the rate in minus the rate out, we can show that this equation matches what that would be. So the rate in's fairly easy. We're only putting in 0.4 kilograms per liter times 5 liters per minute. So our rate is going to be 0.4 times 5 per minute, which is equal to 2. Okay, the rate out is a little bit different since it's a different rate. We're removing 3 per minute times whatever the concentration is of the fully mixed solution. So the concentration of the fully mixed solution is going to be Y, which is the total amount of salt in the